Hello, nice to see you. This is Yoshinori HAYAKAWA reporting about logics of calculation of fractions, addition, division, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Basics of fractions is going to be reported. Fractions are logically difficult, and there are many teachers and texts to remember only how to calculate without reasoning. One of divided quantity 1 to equal 2 parts is called 1 second. 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 second. This is called numerator, and this is called denominator. This dotted line shows quantity 1, and the yellow part is 1 second. 1 second plus 1 second is equal to 1. It's a strange saying, but from 1 can be subtracted 1 second times until the rest is 0. It's a strange saying. It may sound strange sound. From 1 can be subtracted 1 second times until the rest is 0. From 1/2 of 2 can be subtracted once. One of divided quantity 1 to equal 3 parts is called 1/3. 1/3 is equal to 1 divided by 3 is 1/3. This dotted line is 1, and this is yellow part is 1/3. This is 2/3. And 3/3 is equal to 1. Please see the figure. Multiplying denominator and numerator by same number does not change the value, and also dividing denominator and numerator by same number does not change the value. See the figure. This dotted line is quantity 1. 4 equal division of 1 is shown this 1/4, and is equal 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1 second. That is 2/4, and 2/4, that is 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. And this is same 3 equal division of 1. This is 6 equal division of 1. This is dotted line quantity 1, and this yellow, each yellow part is 1/6. That is 1/6, 1 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied 3/6, and that is 1 second. This part, yellow, whole yellow part is 1 second. And let's divide quantity 1 to 8 equal division. Single yellow part is 1/8. Pardon? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow part is equal to 1 second. 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 is 4/8. That is 1 second. This shows approximately the same situation. 4/6. This dotted line is a quantity 1, and each one is 1/6, and this yellow part in total is 4/6. That is 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, and that is 2/3. This shows a similar situation. 6/9. 6/9 is this single yellow part is 1/9. This dotted line is a quantity 1. 6 yellow part in total is 6. So 6/9 is 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 is 2/3. Addition of fractions. If the denominators are difficult, multiply denominator and numerators by same number and make the denominators same and add numerators. This is 1 second. This is 1 second. So let's divide half. This is 1 second. 1/4. 2/1/4 is the same is 1 second. That is 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1/4 is 2/4 plus 1/4. That is 3/4. Nearly the same thing happens. 1 second plus 1/8. This yellow part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is quantity 1 and 1/8. This is also yellow part. Single yellow part is 1/8, and this 4 yellow total 4 yellow part is half. This is dotted line is a quantity 1. That is 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1/8 is 4/8 plus 1/8 is 5/8. 2/3 plus 1/6 is this yellow part is single yellow part is 1/6, and 4 of them is 2/3. That is 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1/6 is 4/6 plus 1/6 is 5/6. Addition and subtraction. If the denominators are different, multiply denominators and numerators by the same number and make the denominators same, and add or subtract numerators. Yes, 1 second minus 1/3. This is 1/6. Single yellow part is 1/6, and 3 of them, this is quantity 1, is 1 second. Minus, this is 1/6, and this is quantity 1, and yellow part is 1/3. That is 1 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 1 multiplied 2 divided 3 multiplied 2 is 3 multiplied by 6 minus 2 multiplied 3 6 minus 2 6 is 3 minus 2 is 1/6. Multiplication of fractions. Multiply 1/3 is the divide by 3. 1 second multiplied by 1/3 is 1 second divided by 6 is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 is 1/6. Multiply 2/3 is divided by 3 and make it add it twice. 1 second multiplied by 2/3 is sorry, this part is wrong. 1 second divided by 3 multiplied by 2. That is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. That is 1/6 plus 1/6. 6. So it is 2/6. That is 1/3. Sorry. Multiply 1/5 is to divide by 5. 2/3 multiplied by 1/5 is 2/3 divided by 5 is 2 multiplied divided by 3 multiplied by 5. That is 2/15. This is 2/3 multiplied by 1/5. That is 2/3 divided by 5. That is 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 is 2/15. Similarly, 2/3 multiplied by 1/6 is 2/3 multiplied by 6 is multiplied by 1/6 is equal to 1/9. Multiplication of fraction is made by multiplication with denominators and multiplication of denominators. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplied 4/5 is to divide 5 and add 4 times of the result. 2/3 multiplied by 4/5 is 2/3 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. That is 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 5, and then multiply its 4. That is 2/15 multiplied by 4. That is 8/15. 2/3 multiplied by 4/5 is 2/3 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. That is 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 multiply and then multiply 4. That is 2/15 multiplied by 4. That is 8/15. Yes, the picture shows the situation. Multiplication of fractions is made by multiplication of numerators and multiplication of denominators each. Division of fractions. 1/2 divided by 1/6 means from 1/2 how many times 1/6 can be subtracted until the rest becomes 0. As division is a kind of subtraction, denominator should be made the same. 1/2 divided by 1/6 is 1 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 6 by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. The denominator becomes the same. At the denominator of 1 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by 1 divided 2 multiplied by 6 is the same. The problem is the same as from 1 multiplied by 6 how many times 2 multiplied by 1 can be subtracted until the rest is 0. That is 1 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. That is 1 multiplied by 6 divided 2 multiplied by 1. That is 6 multiplied by 1/2. That is 1/2 multiplied 6 once. Therefore, division of fractions a by b is multiply a by reciprocal of b, and the final result is 6 seconds. That is second. That is 3. Uh, 1/2 divided by 3/5 means from 1/2 how many times 3/5 can be subtracted until the rest becomes 0. As division is a kind of subtraction, denominator should be made the same. 1 second multiplied by 3/5 is 1 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 multiplied 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. This denominator is the same. As the denominator of two denominators of 2 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 5 is the same. The problem is the same as 1 multiplied by 5. How many times 2 multiplied by 3 can be subtracted until the rest is 0? That is 1 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. That is 1 second multiplied by fixed thirds. Therefore, division of fraction a by b is multiply a by reciprocal of b and other data. Thank you for listening. I'm sorry I made many mistakes in this report. See you again.